Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can log in into your CIBC online banking account. To do so, just follow some simple steps that I will show you on this video, and then you can log into your bank account as well. First of all, just open up your Google browser and then go into your search bar and just type for CIBC online banking, and after that hit on enter. After you do so, many results will now pop up on your screen. Click on the first link that shows up. And now this will take you to the official login site of CIBC. Give it some time to load and it will load up on your screen. Here you can see that it has loaded up. And here you need to input your card number and a new password to continue to your account. Just input your card number and you can tick this box. Remember this card number if you are using a private computer, but I would not recommend you doing so if you are on a public computer. And then just input your password, which is also case sensitive, so be careful while typing in your password. But in case you forgot your password, you can also use this button, Reset Password, to help you reset and retrieve it. And after inputting your personal details, just tap on Sign On and then you'll be signed in into your CIBC bank account. And that's how you can sign in into your CIBC bank account. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find the video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.